This is our small mini airbrush compressor. You can see it is small in volume, light in weight. However, as we use the best motor and the best PCB board, this compressor has the highest pressure and highest airflow, and this compressor has the auto start and stop function. It can always work with almost all the airbrush guns used for makeup, layer beauty, character plating, temporary tattoo, airbrush tanning, and so on. Let me show you how it works. This airbrush gun is with the cap of 2 cc. It is always working with our compressor used for layer beauty and makeup. This airbrush gun is with 20 cc cap. It is always working with this airbrush compressor for airbrush tanning. This airbrush gun always works with our mini compressor used for makeup,